Good morning. After Monday's Mauritius Blue, a recovery appears in sight. A review of the tax treaty with Mauritius appears to be on the card, though no timeline has been fixed for negotiations. Even if talks were to start, the duration and outcome is uncertain. What is also heartening to note is that FII selling in the cash segment was not major. The domestic funds pumped in over 8.6 billion rupees. So the start will be positive and a bounce back is a given. Global cues are also supportive. Stock indices in the US and Europe ended higher with a hope of resolution to the Greek debt woes. Most Asian markets are up this morning. The euro has recovered while the dollar index is down slightly. The Nifty could find resistance around 5,300 and is likely to find support around 5,200. Overall, the market could remain jittery in the short term. One must take to wait and see approach and be vigilant given the high degree of volatility. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 5.12 billion in the cash segment on Monday according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were the net buyers at Rs 8.6 billion on the same day. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 823.6 billion. The foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 3.63 billion in the cash segment on Friday as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 279 million on the same day. SR Shopping and Great Offshore will come out with their earnings today. PFC, Prime Focus and RP Infra announced their results yesterday. GTL and GTL Infra will remain in focus due to speculations about the two companies' financial health and possible selling of the pledged promoter shares by the lenders. Nagarjuna Fertilizers might be hit due to reports that the promoters have increased their stake through a circuitous route. Reliance Industries could remain in the spotlight after the Oil Ministry's clarification on the CAG report. India Bulls in real estate is likely to be under pressure after reports that it has been served a notice to stop work on its commercial and residential project at Elphinstone Mills by the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board. Moving on to recommendations, our technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Bank of Baroda in the range of Rs 843 to Rs 845 with a stop loss placed at Rs 828 and for the target price of Rs 879. We advise going short on Jindal Steel and Power June futures below Rs 620 with a stop loss placed at Rs 628 and for the target price of Rs 602. Our derivative strategy for the day are: short Grasim June futures in the range of Rs 2010 to Rs 2014 for a target price of Rs 1954 and a stop loss placed at Rs 2040. Long Exide Industry June futures in the range of Rs 148.5 to Rs 149.5 for the target price of Rs 154.5 and a stop loss placed at Rs 146.5. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.